By the end of this tutorial, you'll see how your slow, sluggish website transforms into one with incredible speed. Want to know how we achieve this? Stay tuned until the end of the video. Hello, everyone. Welcome to this video. Today, I'm going to show you how to boost your website's speed dramatically. Here's my current website performance. It's in the red zone, indicating terrible speed. But don't worry, we'll turn that red into green by following all the steps outlined in this video. This tool here shows how fast, or in this case, how slow, my website is. As you can see, the performance score is alarmingly low. But don't fret, we'll fix it and move it to the green zone in no time. The first step is to log into your WordPress admin panel. Head over to Plugins, and then click on Add New. In the search bar, type Accelerator, as shown on the screen. We'll install the plugin with the green logo. Once found, click Install and then Activate. After activation, a new option named Accelerator will appear on the left-hand menu. Click on it to proceed. Important note, if your website is hosted on AWS, you might encounter an error in the WP config file. If that happens, a solution will appear at the top of the page. You can follow that solution, resolve the issue, and return to this video when you're ready. Otherwise, you should be good to go without issues. Now, you'll see a button labeled Download the free extended plugin version. Click it, and you'll be redirected to a page where you can download a zipped file. Save the file temporarily on your computer. Next, go back to the Plugins section in your WordPress admin, click on Add New, and then Upload Plugin. Select the zip file you just downloaded and click Install Now. Replace the current version of the plugin with the one you've just uploaded. This step is crucial to unlock. Once installed, click Go to Plugin Installer to access further setup options. Look for the green button at the top and click it to begin the configuration process. Here's where you can customize the plugin settings. I'll show you the optimal settings I've selected, but feel free to explore and adjust based on your website's needs. For example, I noticed my images weren't optimized for the web. They're in PNG or JPG format, which are heavier compared to more web-friendly formats like WebP. You'll also encounter options for caching, which stores parts of your site to reduce loading times for repeat visitors. I recommend enabling this feature for better performance. I'll click Next to see if we can fix this later with the plugin. It's important to note that I'll select the first option here, which provides the best results for page speed testing. If you're unsure which option to choose, go with this one. Let's click Next. On the next screen, select the default option unless you're using a dedicated hosting server. Most WordPress users are on shared hosting, so this setting will apply to the majority of cases. If you are using dedicated hosting, you probably wouldn't need this video, as your server would naturally perform faster. For now, let's stick with shared hosting and click Next. In the CDN Content Delivery Network section, I'll leave it on the default option. A CDN helps your site load faster by distributing content across multiple servers. If you already have a CDN, you can configure it here, but the default option works well. Once you're done, click Finish. Now, let's explore additional options you can configure as desired. The first one is Cache. Cache stores parts of your website so visitors don't have to download everything every time they visit. Next, under the Script section, I recommend selecting Fast Loading. This worked well on my site and made it load noticeably faster. However, feel free to experiment by enabling or disabling certain features to see what works best for your website. If something doesn't work, you can always deactivate the option or the plugin without affecting your site's functionality. Under Content, I kept most options as default but made one change. For the Enable WebP setting, which is set at 80% quality by default, I reduced the quality slightly to 70%. This helps reduce the file size of images, which are typically the heaviest files on a website. You can keep it at 80% if you prefer higher image quality, but for me, sacrificing a bit of image quality for faster load times is worth it. Remember to click Save Changes once you're done. Don't lower the image quality too much, say, to 5% or 10%, as this will make the images appear pixelated. A balance of 60 to 70% works well. The other settings were left as default, so no further changes were needed. Now, let's proceed to test how fast my website is after these changes. Using PageSpeed Insights, I'll analyze my website's performance. Let's click Analyze and wait for the results. I applied these configurations, and the difference was remarkable. My website's speed improved significantly, scoring a 99 on PageSpeed Insights compared to the previous score of 48. One final tip: avoid installing multiple performance-related plugins, as they might conflict and compete for resources, which can negatively impact your website. Stick to one plugin for improving your website's speed and performance. With this plugin, I deleted all my previous speed-related plugins. This change brought incredible results. And there you have it. My website went from sluggish to lightning fast. By the way, we recently launched a mobile app that lets you create wallpapers using AI. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.